Assalamualaikum and a good day everyone. My name is Mirza Irdina Binti Mazlan and today I would like to present good manufacturing practice or GMP in preventing food contamination in the food industry. But before we start, imagine you are buying a ready-to-eat sandwich from a supermarket. Most of us usually check the expired date or the packaging before purchasing it. However, have you ever wondered how that sandwich is kept safe to eat? How can we be sure that it is free from harmful contamination? The answer lies in GMP. In this presentation, I will explain how GMP helps prevent food contamination and ensures food safety throughout the food manufacturing process. Let's begin. Good manufacturing practice, GMP, is a system that ensures food products are consistently produced according to quality and safety requirements. It helps manufacturers minimize contamination risks, reduce product recalls, and lower the chances of foodborne illnesses. In food manufacturing, various hazards such as cross-contamination, adulteration, and mislabeling may occur if proper controls are not implemented. According to the World Health Organization, poor hygiene during food handling can lead to contamination by harmful microorganisms such as Salmonella and E. coli, which may cause foodborne disease. Therefore, implementing GMP is essential to protect both consumers and food manufacturers. Next, the definition of GMP. It is a quality management system that ensures products are consistently produced and controlled according to predetermined quality standards. Although it is commonly associated with the food industry, GMP is also widely applied in pharmaceutical and cosmetic manufacturing. And according to the World Health Organization, GMP ensures that personnel, facilities, equipment, and raw materials are suitable for production. It also requires manufacturing and testing procedures to be properly documented, validated, and regularly reviewed. These requirements help manufacturers maintain consistent product quality while ensuring that food products remain safe for consumers. Next, there are four main principles of GMP. The first principle is Standard Operating Procedures or SOP. SOP provides clear step-by-step instructions so that every worker performs the same task consistently. This helps reduce errors and maintain product quality throughout the manufacturing process. The second principle is Good Hygiene and Sanitation. Maintaining clean equipment, work areas, and personal hygiene is essential because it helps prevent cross-contamination and reduce the risk of microbial contamination during food production. For the third principle is documentation and traceability. Every production activity should be properly recorded so that manufacturers can trace products if a food safety issue or product recall occurs. This makes it easier to identify and solve problems quickly. Finally, employee training. It ensures that food handlers understand GMP requirements and follow proper food handling practice. Well-trained workers are more likely to maintain food safety throughout the production process. Next, importance of GMP in preventing food contamination. GMP is important because it helps manufacturers maintain consistent food quality and safety throughout every stage of production. By following standardized procedures, food products are produced under controlled conditions and it reducing the risk of contamination. Besides protecting consumer health, GMP also increases customer trust and confidence because consumers expect the food they purchase to be safe for consumption. Furthermore, proper hygiene practice significantly reduces microbial contamination and foodborne diseases. GMP also helps food manufacturers comply with food safety regulations and legal requirements, allowing them to operate responsibly and avoid regulatory issues. Next, role in GMP in ensuring food safety and quality. GMP plays an important role throughout the entire food manufacturing process. As shown in the flowchart, GMP is applied at every stage starting from receiving, raw materials, processing, packaging, storage, and finally distribution to consumers. At each stage, GMP helps control potential hazards before they affect the final product. It ensures that food is handled, processed, packaged, and stored correctly while maintaining consistent product quality through continuous quality control and monitoring. In addition, hygiene and sanitation practice implemented throughout the production process greatly reduce the risk of contamination and help ensure that the final food products are safe for consumers. Next, examples of food contamination issues. Despite strict food safety measures, contamination can still occur if GMP is not properly implemented. Some common examples include cross-contamination between raw and ready-to-eat foods due to improper food handling, improper storage, or undercooking that allow harmful bacteria to grow, and poor personal hygiene among food handlers, which can lead to microbial contamination and foodborne disease. As illustrated in the flowchart, without GMP, poor hygiene may result in cross-contamination, bacterial growth, foodborne illness, and ultimately unsafe food products. However, with GMP, proper hygiene practice, standard operating procedures, documentation, and continuous quality monitoring work together to ensure safe food production and protect consumer health. And now we move to advantages of GMP implementation. Besides ensuring food safety, GMP also provides many benefits to food manufacturers. Firstly, it helps produce safe and high-quality food products that consistently meet food safety standards. Secondly, standardized procedures improve production efficiency by reducing error, minimizing waste, and avoiding unnecessary loss during manufacturing. Thirdly, GMP reduces product recalls and operating costs because potential contamination is prevented before it becomes a major problem. Finally, consistently producing safe and reliable food products enhances the company's reputation and increases consumer confidence in its products. In conclusion, GMP plays an essential role in preventing food contamination by ensuring that food products are produced under controlled quality and safety standards. Through proper hygiene, documentation, standard operating procedures, and employee training, GMP helps manufacturers maintain product quality while protecting consumer health. So, the next time we buy a ready-to-eat sandwich or any packaged food, we can be more confident that it has been produced safely because manufacturers follow good manufacturing practice. That's all. Thank you for your attention.